Hello and welcome back to Everything Poultry, where we help you start and grow a successful poultry business for free. In today's video, we will discuss how to prevent, manage, and treat Newcastle disease in poultry. Newcastle disease is a viral infection that can affect different types of birds, including chickens, turkeys, and pigeons. It is a highly contagious disease and can quickly spread from bird to bird, causing significant economic losses to poultry farmers. In this video, we will discuss some of the ways to prevent, manage, and treat Newcastle disease in poultry. Preventing Newcastle disease in poultry is essential. The following measures can help to reduce the risk of Newcastle disease in your flock. Vaccination. Vaccinate your birds against Newcastle disease. Vaccination is one of the most effective ways to prevent Newcastle disease. Therefore, it is important to work with your veterinarian on a reliable vaccination schedule for your poultry farm. Practice good biosecurity. This means keeping your flock in a clean environment, preventing contact with wild birds, and not sharing equipment with other poultry farms. Generally means every measure taken to prevent the introduction and spread of diseases on the farm. Quarantine new birds. If you are introducing new birds to your flock, keep them separated from the rest of the flock for at least 2 weeks. This will help to ensure that they are not carrying any diseases that could spread to the rest of the birds. Management. If you suspect that your birds have Newcastle disease, there are several management practices you can implement to help control the spread of the disease. These measures include: isolate sick birds. If you notice that some birds are showing symptoms of Newcastle disease, separate them from the rest of the flock immediately. This is important as it reduces the spread of the disease on the farm. Clean and disinfect farm and equipment. Regularly clean and disinfect all equipment and surfaces in your poultry house to prevent the disease from spreading. Control flies and other pests. Flies and other pests can spread Newcastle disease from bird to bird, so it's essential to control their populations in and around your poultry house. If you are enjoying this video, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get to see more videos like this. Treatment. Unfortunately, there is no specific treatment for Newcastle disease, but some herbs have been used to increase chances of survival in birds. While there are no specific herbs that are known to cure Newcastle disease, certain herbs have been traditionally used to support the immune system and improve the overall health of birds. These herbs include Echinacea. Echinacea is known to support the immune system and help fight off infections. It is often used to manage respiratory infections in chickens, which can be a symptom of Newcastle disease. Garlic. Garlic has antimicrobial properties and can help support the immune system. It is often used as a natural antibiotic to prevent and manage bacterial infections in birds. Oregano. Oregano is a natural antimicrobial agent that has been shown to help manage respiratory infections in birds. It is often used to prevent and manage Newcastle disease. Turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help support the immune system. It is often used to manage inflammation and improve overall health in birds. Ginger. Ginger has antimicrobial properties and can help support the immune system. It is often used to manage respiratory infections in birds. It is important to note that while these herbs may be beneficial in supporting the immune system and managing symptoms of Newcastle disease, they should not be used as a substitute for veterinary care. If you suspect that your birds have Newcastle disease, it is important to consult with a veterinarian for proper diagnosis and treatment. If your birds become infected, the best course of action is to cull the infected birds and quarantine the rest of the flock to prevent the disease from spreading further. It is crucial to work with your veterinarian to ensure that you are following proper disposal protocols for the infected birds. In conclusion, Newcastle disease is a serious and highly contagious disease that can have devastating consequences for poultry farmers. However, by following good biosecurity practices, regularly vaccinating your birds, and implementing proper management strategies, you can reduce the risk of Newcastle disease in your flock. If you suspect that your birds have Newcastle disease, contact your veterinarian immediately for advice on the best course of action. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel to get notified every time we post important videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you found this video helpful.